How to reset TikTok privacy settings. For this, open a TikTok application and tap on your profile icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on the three-line icon at the top. Head to Settings and Privacy and select Privacy. Now, from the beginning, you can select if you want your account to be private or public. You can enable the activity status. Now, for the interaction, you can decide who can comment on your post. Now, once you do that, you can also edit who can mention and tag on the posts. Then there are a couple of things that you can also decide from here. For an example, you can decide who can message you. For now, it is friends. You can select to everyone as well. Then what you can do next is you can also go ahead and edit your story option. Now, you can do according to your preference. Here I have everyone, as you can see right here. And there are a couple of things such as the like videos, that is only me and that is private. You can set it to public as well. And all of this list you can go ahead and edit according to your preference. Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.